Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of The Screenshot. This week Sambalani siya eNkayi to Imklomelo kaDakamela. Every year in eNkayi, Chief Dakamela hosts an award ceremony to celebrate excellence all over the country. So join us for this special episode of The Screenshot where you get to see behind the scenes of what happens and we talk to other young people about their experiences at Imklomelo kaDakamela. So stay tuned. Okay, so I heard that this is your second time in eNkayi. People, we do our research as journalists.
Okay, research.
So
Abantu abakhuluma indaba zethu research.
Anyway, ukubona kunjani eNkayi this time around event kaDakamela? How are you finding the vibes?
Mina ngifuna uqamba manga, ngijabula kakhulu to be able to get the opportunity ukubuya for the second time. Kakhulukazi ngalo mcimbi lo wakhe uChief, because last time I came I had the honor of meeting uChief. He saw what we came for as well and he was very helpful with project yethu. So for me ukuthi ngithole ithuba lokubuya and finally bless i-event yakhe presence yakhe, I feel honored yabona ngoba phela ngihlangana namabutho lana amanye asuka ngisho KZN, so ngiyazibona vele angidukanga yabona umcimbi wethu sonke yabona nathi siyani celebrate ngakithi. That's why sikwazi ukuthola abantu bakithi beze travel all the way to this side to celebrate the event yakhe Chief Dakamela nabo bonke abantu bendawo yabona.
And we've been seeing you with our local princess Uawa.
Yes.
Can you tell us what you guys are cooking up? Or if you are not ready?
Angikukhe lutho mina. Nje ngine fortune yokuthi ngazi Uawa vele from endaweni. So she is one of the people engazi ukuthi mangabe ngifisa ukuza ngapha. She, mina makwenze ukuthi ungapha vele I can always come to this side of town.
Okay, last question. You and Kings of Joburg, how was the experience like? How have you enjoyed working with Shona Ferguson?
You know what? The fact ukuthi Mr. Shaw started this with us, and we are still a part of it, even though it's no longer here. For us tonight, it's an honor, to be able to do something that I can say it still represents him as well, and it's still aligned with legacy yakhe, as umuntu who was a big part of our industry. So it's a great honor to be part of Kings of Joburg season 3, and I look forward to people enjoying the latest offering that we have from that show of ours.
Okay, last question.
When unama jokes,
I love,
Hello, this is Iyasa aka Inkululeko Yabatsha School of Arts. Sikhona namhlanje eNkayi kwaDakamela. It's nice to be here. Kumnandi ukuba lapha. We had a great performance. So hi emabambeni eNkayi. Ubabona bari soft and soul, give mama's baby. Ubabona bari soft and soul, give mama's baby. Soft and soul, give mama's baby. I'm a nice, I'm a Levi's, I'm a Putra, he's Kotan. Soft and soul, give mama's baby. Soft and soul, give mama's baby.
Mina igama nguMathusha, umculo kaMaskandi osazama naye ongakabi mkhulu kakhulu, yabo. So ngokuzalana lami ngxenxwe ibutho yala ukuthi ngizoperforma, yabo leyo nto leyo. Khona umcimbi wakhona ngibona ngathi umnandi kakhulu ngoba sisihambile imicimbi awukho ofana nalo. Umkhulu impela ukuthi lathi sinje uyasijabulisa ngoba isikhathi esiningi uperformela abantu abaningi kangaka la ekhaya uyivela kancane. So nje kuyinto enhle kakhulu for thina, siyathemba ukuthi nabanye bazolithola ithuba elifana lesitholile.
Sanibonani, igama uGazelle Mnyama umfana oqhamuka le eKhez Maphisa eKZN. Nguye kuphela iBlackbone, abanye bonke ama-Yellow Bone, iBlackbone uqobo lwayo. Lapha koDakamela namhlanje ngendaba ezimnandi ave kukuhle kuvungazwa imklomelo kaDakamela. Siyajabula ukuba lapha namhlanje lathi singabaculi sithi into enhle maye phambili. Danko.
Letha wona sikhiphana ngumzo7 lo Mr Gagagugu. So ngiphathele indaba ezimnandi siseNkayi koDakamela, and what's happening is we're learning much about the culture, appreciating the people that are doing great things in the community, in the society, and outside the country. I've learned a lot. I've met a lot of people from different countries. Wonke umuntu ube ngeculture yakhe. Mina ayiphathikona yabona somehow. So sikoDakamela artists are performing. I'm here, support system. sincedisa organizing and everything. I'm glad everything is pane grand, iphume sharp, iphume intswembu. Don't forget ukuthi eKasi also there is Lokshin culture, you know, a culture evolves. So eKasi that is corner. So today mina ngirepresent both, yabona, Lokshin culture, yeah, the culture.
Nasi Highlanders Consonante Development. Lapha sibuye ngochief wethu eDakamela to represent Highlanders and play football, to entertain people and to carry on with our career.
So far ama-activities lwalibone njani?
Ama-activity amnandi, siyakholisa zonke ama-experience la siwajendayo, so that privilege ukuthi sibone izinto ezintsha, izinto ze-culture yabo.
So seliyadlala ngalesi? Lidlala against i-final? Congratulations. Selidlala amagame amangaki?
Ade kuyi-4 teams kuphela, semi and then final.
Alright, lidlala against what?
Nkai town, not Nkai Academy.
Alright, thank you guys.
Ukwenza umsebenzi ube impumela ikuba khona kwakho lapha. Ungaza uzela lokho ozelakho, kodwa ukuba khona kwakho lapha kwenza umsebenzi ube impumela. Lingekho lapha ungasoze ube khona umsebenzi. Ngakho siyalibonga kakhulu sizwe sikaMthwakazi, sizwe saseZimbabwe. Nginanzelela futhi ukuthi sithe sethekelelwa ngamakhosi endaweni ezihlukeneyo. Sibonile representing Dumisani Tembo, representing uMphezeni eZambia. Sibonile kuzwe uKing Wongwe the second khona lo Mahlangu eSouth Africa. Sibonge leNduna Jubane lanxa bethe baphuza ukufika lapha ngasethulanga iqula lakhe athi kufanele lethule abasuka abaze nabantwana overnight. Ngibonga ke lonke, ngibonga ama-organizations ahlukehlukeneyo, Net1, Kingdom Blue, Regional, NAST, Lubani State University, Bulawayo Technique. Ngicela futhi ukuthi nxa kade lirekhoda ningasayilaleli ividiyo leyi ngoba uzezwe ukuthi angisamqambanga bese hamba sengizondela. Bakithi libanengi kakhulu elitheleza umsebenzi lowo. Sibonga wonke umuntu olapha siswele nje imlomo ezinkulungwane. Ngenxa yesikhathi futhi ngizathanda ukuthi ngisho lokho masisuka lapha kufanele ngasenze lunch. Kunabanye abazoya ke kudlala ibhoso namhlanje lapha eground izosondela lelibukela uMantengwane kodwa ukudla ngibona sokulungile. Lingixolele kulokho ukuthi silibambe isikhathi esingaka kodwa ilanga leli linye umnyaka wonke ku12 months. Ongawo ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi akuvumi phela ukuthi sithi ilanga lilodwa umnyaka wonke livale izivunguvungu eziningi. Abanye sifike enzima lapha ngezinto ezihlukeneyo nathi sinje umsebenzi lo ukuthi uphutshe ube nzima. Akuvumi phela ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi sisu somunye bese sikhala sesingaqeda umsebenzi. Ingqolele kukhona lokho. Ngithanda ke ukuthi bakithi umsebenzi wethu namhlanje ngone ngathi kufanele uphelele lapha. Akukho okunye engingakutsho ukuthi izenzo kungemazwi. Ngiyabonga.
I hope you guys enjoyed that special episode and you got to learn a few things about Imklomelo kaDakamela, and we'll see you there next year. Bye.